Hi there. Today I will show you how to add Payoneer with your Amazon Associates profile so that you can withdraw your money to Payoneer. Okay, so I'm on payment page of Amazon. Location United States. So if you have any Payoneer account, it can be from Bangladesh or any country, but you will get three virtual account, a bank account actually from here. Receive global payment service. Okay, so there are three global services here. I'm clicking on USA. So what is my bank name? This is my bank name. So bank name. This one is bank name. Account holder name. Here is given the account holder name. Then account number. Copy the account number. This is your account number. Confirm your account number. And account type, savings or checking. See, account type is checking. So I'm choosing checking. And finally, I need a routing number, which will given here. Okay, so that's it. So this is how you can add your payment method from Amazon to your Payoneer so that you can withdraw the payment of Amazon affiliates at Payoneer account. Thanks for watching the video.